Today we're doing something a little bit different, and we are featuring a specific builder here in the Parrish area that's a little bit unknown.
So we're here at Seaire and we're checking out Dreamfinders homes.
So Dreamfinders Homes is a relatively new builder to the area, although they've been around for quite a while. The owners of Dreamfinders Homes are actually the same owners of the Tampa Bay Rays and the Tampa Bay Rowdies, the sports teams here in St. Petersburg.
Dreamfinders Homes builds quite a few different series of homes. They have 60-foot lots, 40s and 50s, townhomes, and actually bungalow homes out in Lakewood Ranch.
And so here in Sier, they have their townhomes, which start pretty affordably and are surprisingly nice for what they actually offer for that price. And I think comparably, when you look at Dreamfinders Homes, townhomes compared to some of the other local townhomes, they're much nicer for the money. I think a few months ago they sold maybe 10 within a week because the word got out that the prices recently dropped and people were kind of waiting for the availability of them. And so right now they're starting at roughly $328,000 for 1,400 square feet, just over 1,400 square feet, and that's going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And all of these townhomes actually have garages attached to them too. So for somebody that's looking for some parking space, that doesn't want to be parking in the street or even in a community where that's common, because that is very common with a lot of other townhome communities, these have that 2-car garage, which also means it has space in the driveway itself where you can probably fit about 4 more cars. So if you're looking for that kind of entry-level home, you like the idea of a townhome, you still need something affordable and want that extra garage space for the cars and car space as well, these townhomes are really great options.
Seaire also has 40 and 50-foot lots, and those homes are pretty affordable too, especially compared to the other builders in this community. They actually just did a recent price reduction on a lot of their lots, and there's currently homes available starting in the 330s.
And so what does that 330 price tag get you?
In the 330s, you can get a 3-bedroom home, roughly 1,650 square feet, and that's 3 beds, 2 bath, and 2-car garage.
Yeah, normally these homes are almost all over about $400,000, but they've done some recent price drops, and they're still offering some closing cost incentives and rate buy downs as well. So if you're looking for a deal and that is tied to a price discount, Dreamfinders has those homes for you. If you're looking for a deal that has closing cost incentives or rate buy down, Dreamfinders Homes has that for you too. In that same kind of area, they have what we refer to as 50-foot homes. And those are going to be a little bit more expensive because they're a little bit bigger. But still, you've got some that are floating right around the mid-400s that have also been recently reduced with the same kind of idea of rate buy downs and closing cost incentives. And these homes are all going to be over 2,000 square feet, with the smallest one at 2,111 square feet. And that's going to be for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage. And but these go all the way up to, what is it, 2,700 square feet? Mm-hmm. What is that going to get you?
You can get that one for the 470s, which is a pretty great deal.
Yeah, it's not bad for 2,700 square feet.
Yeah.
And that's going to be a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath, 2-car garage. So Dreamfinders Home does build what we call spec homes, and these homes are all ready to go. And that's partially why they've been discounted so greatly, is because they need to get them off their books right away. They need to sell them. And in many cases, they're willing to make a little bit of a deal above and beyond what they've already put in place to generate some interest in these homes. And so if you're looking for a deal, maybe an entry-level home or a level-up home, and only need 2-car garages, these 40 and 50-foot Dreamfinders homes are fantastic for that.
This one? Okay. Cool. Now, the largest size homes they have are going to be the 60-foot lots. Those are going to be starting in the mid-500s and go all the way up to the mid-600s. And for the lower price points, you can get up to 2,600 square feet, 4 beds, 3 bath with a 3-car garage. And then for the 650s price range, you can get up into the 3,000 square foot range with a 4-bed, 4-bath, and a 3-car garage.
Yeah, they actually, looks like they have a killer deal on one right now, the Ellington plan, which is 3,550 square feet, 30,550 square feet. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath, 3-car garage, which means you obviously can fit 3 cars in the garage, but in many cases, that driveway is going to be able to fit about 9 cars, depending on how big your vehicles are. So if you do need that extra car space, a 60-foot lot is going to be the better pick for you. And that particular home, the Ellington, is only $600,000. kind of a steal for that.
That is a pretty good deal.
So again, these are all in the new community in Parrish called Seaire, which is the newest lagoon style community by Metro Development. And this lagoon is what, 4 acres
4
big?
acres, yeah.
It just opened this summer of 2026, and it's already been super popular. There's similar lagoons in the area as well. There's one in Waimama. I think there's 2 up in Wesley Chapel. There's more coming down south. But if you're not familiar with what a Crystal Lagoon is, it is simply a 4-acre crystal clear beach lagoon that is in your own backyard. And a lot of these have bars, restaurants in them. They have activities. You can rent canoes, kayaks. If you're looking for a great, come home from work and want to go to the bar and restaurant and sit in the lagoon, you can do that. If you're looking for something to do on the weekends and want to camp out at the beach, but not actually go to the beach, you can take your golf cart right over here and enjoy that. So another big advantage in addition to the Crystal Lagoon here at Seaire is its location and proximity to just about everything. We're only about 2 minutes from the highway, which is I-75, and only a few extra minutes to get to I-275, which then gets you to St. Pete, Clearwater, downtown St. Pete, where the Tampa Bay Rays play. And so this location is really, really nice because you can get to Tampa, St. Pete, and Sarasota all within about 30 minutes. You can get to world famous beaches within 30 minutes as well. You've got 3 major airports that you can get to all within roughly 35 minutes or so. And there's shopping, dining, everything all within less than 30 minutes, maybe 15 minutes or so. And with everything that's coming to the Parrish area, you'll have everything almost within walking distance, golf cart distance, bike ride distance, even the hospital's right across the street. And I think that's going to be maybe around 280 beds, something like that. It will be a nice big hospital, but there's also an urgent care right in front of that hospital as well. So if you're looking for accessibility, things to do, Parrish is great for that right now, but is going to be even better here in another year or so. Now, inventory, pricing, incentives are changing all the time. And so if you want that access, if you want that information, if you want those numbers in inventory, please reach out to Sydney and myself at info@hollandhoulihan.com, or feel free to check out our website, hollandhoulihan.com, and we can get you all that information. We keep updated with these builders regularly. We're in these communities and talking to these builder reps just about every single day. And they'll actually reach out to us and tell us when they have secret promotions that aren't normally advertised that we can then pass on to our buyers that we're working with. Now, many of these deals are time sensitive, but if you're looking for a deal, if you're looking for a quick closing home, which is usually one of these from the list, the home's been discounted, there's closing cost incentives, there's rate buy downs, and there's some extra things that you can even get thrown in that we can help with to sweeten the deal for you. And we'd be happy to help get you that information as well. So if you're looking for either of those, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. Yep. And one thing you definitely don't want to do is sleep on Dreamfinders homes, because get it? Sleep on Dreamfinders? No? Okay.